do you know something more about um, breath of fire?
Hmm.
Breath of
Yeah.
fire. I know it's a yogic method for breathing,
Hmm.
but I didn't find much about it because she led me to this. I didn't know, and I just found some stuff, but I don't know what's the point. What what's the meaning? You know, what is it for?
Hmm.
Because I would like to know what she's trying to tell me something.
Right, right. So was this happening to you spontaneously, the breath of fire?
Yes, yes. Through in the
Okay.
meditation, she just lead me through, and I said, okay, there's something new, and I want to
Hmm.
know what is it. What is it for? What
Right.
she's trying to tell me? Yes.
So Lisa's asking, is this Tumo? I think it's related to Tumo and its function, which is to build up heat in the body. So the breath of fire is like a rapid type of pranayama, a breathwork practice. It cultivates heat. I think it can also serve to cultivate heat and the right circumstances for then Shakti, prana, life force to begin to rise. So there needs to be a certain degree of heat for that energy to rise. So the breath of fire serves this purpose. Now, if you go to a Kundalini yoga class, they may begin with breath of fire, they end with breath of fire, or sometime during the class, they'll do this breath of fire. It's a very, very intense practice. It's easy to do, but it has really significant energetic implications. And so my take on it is not to engage in it forcefully unless you are supported by somebody who can, take care of you, guide you, unless it feels right for you, unless you know what you're doing. Otherwise, I think Lauren's situation is perfect. Let it just happen to you spontaneously, orchestrated by the inner yoga teacher who knows exactly what you need, the right time, the right intensity. Okay. Because if you go to a Kundalini yoga class, breath of fire is quite a common practice that they engage in. But I always like to think about it like this. A Kundalini yoga teacher has maybe 200 hours of training. There's a class of 20 people there. Does everybody need the same pranayama practice at the same time? Absolutely not. Okay. The teacher has 200 hours of training. It's not enough to really be able to manage a person who's having now some serious energetic phenomena as a result of the practice. It's no joke. So sometimes they may share that, breath of fire, this will give you energy. And, if you're feeling tired, it'll energize you. This is not meant for energizing you. It's meant for bringing you to self-realization and moving through Kundalini awakening, which is a very challenging process, as we all know. It's also called Bhastrika Pranayama. You can look up Bhastrika Pranayama as well for more information about it. Um, it is powerful. It is powerful. Sometimes even just, five of those can put you into an altered state of consciousness, a meditative state, these types of things. It's powerful. I'm not saying never engage in it. I'm just saying use discernment, care, intention. And if it's happening to you spontaneously, just relax. You're in good hands. Okay. So Deborah
Yeah.
shares here, I've witnessed breath of fire being misused in a yoga class. One person fainted, and then the teacher
Yeah.
wouldn't allow the person to leave the room to ground out. Very disappointing. Yoga teachers are too often unskilled or a bit of a fanatic. Yes, it's unfortunate to hear, but I mean, it's not an uncommon story, Deborah. So thank you for sharing that. And it's a precautionary tale. Yeah, thank you. Okay.